back, y'all. Today, I'm in the kitchen cooking with these gadgets. I got my KitchenAid vegetable sheet cutter noodle blade. So, imagine that. Now I can make some delicious spaghetti noodle vegetables. I'm going to demonstrate with a zucchini and show you guys how that looks with the noodle blade. Preparing to noodleize this zucchini, so stay tuned. I have it skewered into the device and I have my noodle blade on there. If you can see, I know it's kind of dark in here, but we're gonna see. Turn the mixer on slow. I'm gonna lift. Kind of hard to do it on here. Okay. Now I'm gonna slowly move the blade towards the zucchini. Starts off kind of rocky, but there we go. Making noodles. It might not be all the way down because of the. Well, let me stop it and demonstrate another one. This zucchini probably wasn't the right size for it to give me stringy noodles, but let me turn that off. It did give me noodles. Excuse my hand, but as you can see those noodles? After I make these, I'm going to seal them, vacuum seal them with my food sealer and store them in the freezer until I'm ready to use them. This looks so good. My mouth is watering just thinking about some delicious, fresh tasting spaghetti noodles, stir-fry noodles, whatever. However I want to taste them. So stay tuned, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed another episode in the kitchen cooking with these gadgets.